Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a BMW 1 Series rear light. First, open your trunk and locate the access panel on the side where the light is. You'll need a flathead screwdriver to gently pry open this panel. Once open, you'll see the back of the light assembly. Use a T20 Torx bit to unscrew the two retaining screws that hold the light unit in position. Keep these screws safe for reinstallation. With the screws removed, gently pull the entire light unit straight out from the car's body. It might be a little snug, so a firm but careful pull is best. Once it's slightly out, you'll see the electrical connector attached to the back. Press the small release tab on the connector and pull it apart to fully disconnect the wiring. Be mindful not to tug on the wires themselves. Now that the light unit is free, you can access the individual bulbs. Each bulb is housed in a holder that you can twist counterclockwise to remove. Carefully pull out the old bulb and insert a new one, ensuring it's the correct type for your BMW 1 Series. If you're replacing the entire light assembly, simply prepare your new unit for the reverse of these steps. To reinstall, first reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Then, carefully align the light unit back into its opening on the car body. Make sure it sits flush before reinserting and tightening the two T20 Torx screws. Finally, close the access panel and test all your rear lights to confirm they are working correctly. For an amazing way to keep your car's interior clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.